Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create gold plated star shape in Photoshop. So to get started, I'm going to create a document as always. So it is File, New, and then if you need to, you can adjust the sizing and then click OK. There you go. The canvas has been created. Easy. The first step will be change the background color to black. So as you can see, the foreground color is already black. So I'm going to select the paint bucket tool and paint my canvas black, and then by clicking once on the create a new layer icon, it will create layer 1 for me. Next step is to change the background color for layer 1. So I'm going to change the foreground color to gold. The code for gold is DAA520, and then I'm going to press OK. Then using the paint bucket tool, paint the background gold. However, we are not done here. I'll add an effect later on. Moving on, I'm going to select the Elliptical Marquee tool and then draw the elliptical shape to my desired size in the middle of the canvas, just like so. Now I'm going to press the delete key on my keyboard and then go to select and deselect. Now to add effects to the shape, I'm going to click on the add a layer style icon at the bottom, then drop shadow and change the size to 7 and leaving everything else the same. I'm going to add stroke and change the color to a lighter shade of gold. The code to it is EBCB7A. After clicking OK, I'm going to change the size to 5, and also I'm going to add bevel and emboss. Here I'm going to change the technique to chisel hard and change the depth to 100%, and now I'm going to experiment with the size. I'm probably going to leave it at 21. Lastly, I'm going to change the gloss contour to double ring, and as you can see, it has created a nice gold plated effect. Then click OK. Okay, now I am going to copy the layer style by right clicking on layer 1 and copy layer style, just so I have it copied for later. Now to add the star shape, I am going to first select the custom shape tool and then find the star shape. If you can't see a shape you are looking for, click on the little arrow like so and then press all, then press append. Now you should have all your shapes as well as the star. To use a shape, just click on it and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and drag the star shape to your desired size. Next, making sure shape 1 is selected, right click and paste layer style. There you go. It has applied the same effect as layer 1 and it looks brilliant and gold plated. Just to finish it off, I'm going to add another effect to the star shape. For this, I'm going to create a new layer, then choose the brush tool. If you can't see the brush type that you want to use, click on the little arrow and select assorted brush and then append, which then adds all the brush types to your list. I'm going to select the brush that I'll add little crystal like effect to the star. Then I'm going to just click on some points to add the gold crystal shapes. That is your gold plated star shape created in Photoshop. To save the document, go to File, Save as JPEG format and then browse to your desired location, rename the file and click Save. So that is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon again.